So, good morning and good day. Today we will be discussing merge sort. So, what is merge sort? Merge sort is a divide and conquer algorithm that was invented by John von Neumann in 1945. A detailed description and analysis of bottom-up merge sort appeared in a report by Goldstein and Neumann as early as 1948. So, for the algorithm, we have here this. First, divide the unsorted list into n sublists, each containing one element. Take note that a list of one element is considered sorted. So the next algorithm is this. Repeatedly merge sublists to produce new sublists until there is only one sublist remaining, which will be the sorted list. So before going on to merge sort, we should know what is merging step. Merging step takes two sorted sequences and merges them into one sorted sequences. So, for example, we have here two sorted lists or an array. We have an array which contains 1, 5, and 7, and another array containing 3, 4, and 6. Take note that each array is already sorted. All we have to do is take the smallest number of each array and compare them to create the new array. So we compare 1 and 3. Since 1 is smaller than 3, 1 will be the first element of our new array. Then we move on to 5 and 3 and compare them. Since 3 is smaller, we take this as our second element of our new array. Then the next will be 4 and 5. 4 is smallest, so it will be the next element of our new array. 5 and 6, 5 is smaller. Then 6 and 7, 6 is smaller. Then lastly 7. So we have here the new element of our new array which are sorted. So that's how merging step happens. Then in applying this to merge sort, we have here, for example, an array containing 8 elements. We have 5, 2, 8, 3, 4, 9, 1, and 6. This is our array containing 8 elements. So suppose we have here an array which is unsorted. We can think of this array as 8 little sorted arrays, each with one element on it. Then we can merge them into a larger array using the merging step. So we start by comparing and sorting and merging the first two pair. So we have here 5 and 2. We compare them and merge. Since 2 is smaller, so we have 2 first. Then 3 and 8 will be compared. 3, 8. Take note that this list is different from this list. So we have an array here containing 2 elements, an array here containing 2 elements again, and 4 and 9, another array containing 2 elements, and 1 and 6. Then next, we merge these 2 arrays to form an array which has 4 elements. So we take the smallest number in each array, which is 2 and 3, then compare them. Since 2 is less than, we put it as the first element and 3 will be the second element. Then compare 5 and 8. 5 is smaller than 8. So we have here an array which contains 4 elements. Then here we combine these two arrays to form an array which has 4 elements. So we compare the smallest number of each array, which is 4 and 1. So 1 comes first, then 4, then 6, then 9. So now here we have a 2 array which is sorted. All we have to do is use the merging step to create an array which has 8 elements. Compare the smallest number of each element, of each array, I mean. So 1 and 2, we have 1, our first element of our new array. Then continue with 2 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, 3 comes next, 4 and 5, 4 comes next, 5 and 6, 5 comes next. 6 and 8, 6. 8 and 9. And now we have our array, which is sorted.